Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, Marvel Heroclix Venom T-Rex. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a product from the latest Marvel Heroclix set, Venom. And I wouldn't say this is part of the main set because usually when we talk about main sets, we refer to figures you pull in the boosters, okay, and both the regular boosters or the retail chase booster. But this particular product, you can see it's Venom T-Rex, is a purchasable, okay, on top of the bricks. Okay, so we ordered this online. This is going to be shipped out to someone already reserved. But before we do that, let us take a look at it. You can see here, this is not for resale, ages 14 up, made in China. And it's just a brown, it came from out of a brown box. I think that's how typically additional products go. And we have, there it is, the Venom T-Rex. Okay. Ooh, it's really, the sculpt is really amazing for this. So it's just a regular T-Rex, okay, with how do we call this? Symbiote effects. Okay, and yeah, it looks like he has multiple arms. Because of that, we see the Venom symbol here, and yeah, tongue out and all. That eye extended. Okay, I'm not gonna take this out because we'll leave that honor to the buyer of this particular product. So we just have to make sure that everything is in order and the dial is correct. Let me just confirm that. Put it on the starting click. Okay, there you go. 10, 13, 25. 10, 13, 25. Okay, so this is correct. So a beautiful figure. Let's take a look at the cards. Venom T-Rex is set number 201, okay, a limited edition for this particular set. It has the symbiote, animal, and past keywords, all good, especially the animal part is really interesting. He has a couple of traits. The first one is called Chomp. When Venom T-Rex KOs an opposing character of less points than himself, after resolutions, heal him one click and score 10 victory points. Okay. Being able to heal is good, and being able to score more additional points when you KO someone is even better. He has a second trait, symbiote physiology. I think this is similar to the shared trait in the set. Plasticity, shape change. If Venom T-Rex is within 4 squares and line of fire of an opposing character, he can be targeted by range attacks. Okay, and that's good because he is a colossal figure, so giant and colossals are always big targets for range attacks. So at least he gets protection in that sense. And at the back, we have here a special movement power, reckless pursuit. Charge but don't have speed, always good. Full movement charge. And a special attack power, devour. Blades, claws, fang. Okay. When Venom T-Rex uses it, you may instead roll 2d6 and choose one to be the result. If you do, after resolutions, heal Venom T-Rex a number of clicks equal to half the result not chosen. Protected outwit. And again, rolling 2d6 for blades gives you high probability to deal more damage. Or if you don't need high damage, you can use the higher roll for you to heal. Okay. Real name is Dylan Brock, so the son of Eddie Brock. So I guess he transformed to protect his dad in that sense. And children love dinosaurs, so no wonder he envisioned himself as a dinosaur, Venom T-Rex. Okay, comes in at 300, 200, 100, or 50 points. He also has improved movement, destroys blocking. As I said, he's colossal. with that that makes him colossal reach of 3. Okay. Looking at his dial, I'm looking particularly at 100-point line. Okay, with that 6 range, a 6 movement, but don't be fooled that 6 plus 3, so 9 move, 9 reach in terms of charge. Okay. The 50-point dial is also good because it also has that 6 movement, and Battle Fury is essential, especially for the set, because there's a lot of shape change in the set. You don't really mind that damage power because you're going to be rolling for blades anyway. Okay, so probably 100 points, because whenever you take a damage anyway, you can always heal up with a lot of ways, like KOing someone or using that blade special attack power. Okay, so yeah, very very interesting Venom T-Rex. He might actually be good for Eddie Brock. I don't know specifically. I can't recall what Eddie Brock does. I think Eddie Brock is an uncommon one in the set, and for Eddie Brock, I think he has a mechanic that will work with. I don't know if it's Eddie Brock, but maybe the Venom horse or something. But I'm pretty sure I heard a mechanic wherein you can bring in Venom T-Rex. Okay. Anyway, do you know? If you know, then feel free to put it in the comments. If not, then again, just share your thoughts in the comments. And for this video, we are done. Again, this is already shipping out to someone. Thank you very much for that purchase and enjoy. I'm thinking of getting one for myself also because the sculpt is really dope. Okay, we'll wrap up this video. Bye!